And we are at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping with another amazing outdoor landscape transformation. Check out the way in which we've completely solved this customer's landscape drainage problem by being able to bring in this beautiful Xeon Zoysia sod installation, meticulously installing multiple different drain boxes, tying in over 300 foot of gutter downspout piping, bringing in our beautiful decorative gravel, as well as our river rock to deal with the water that was coming in on this customer's landscape from the neighbor's yard. And the way in which we went about this amazing outdoor landscape design gave this customer beautiful Xeon Zoysia sod to be able to acquiesce with their beautiful decorative gravel, giving them back their landscape. This was once an area that wasn't able to be inhabited based on the amount of erosion that was taking place. So we came up with multiple different ways in order to solve that by focusing on being able to redirect that water in the most appropriate way. And so as you can see from this perspective, it says that the water that now moves off the hillside and from the neighbor's yard is able to be taken down into this drain box. This drain box is now able to be in the same position as we have our gutter downspouts, in that of being able to be taken off the front side of the property. In addition to that, all of that water that used to move on this landscape no longer is able to do so due to the installation of that drain box. But we didn't stop there. We kept it going. We went not only with the beautiful Xeon Zoysia sod, we also came back with this beautiful decorative gravel using our plastic edging in order to keep that in place. But it truly gave the customer an opportunity to be able to get a lot more contour with their outdoor landscape appeal. Now, one of the ways in which we become so effective at what we do is the way in which we are able to redirect and move water off of a landscape. And so in this case, not only did we provide the customer with a solution such as this beautiful Xeon Zoysia sod, we also focus on being able to put in a drain box that will meticulously focus on being able to deal with the water that was coming from this neighbor's yard. So all of which were designed in order to keep the water flowing to the path of least resistance, allowing it to go into specific drain boxes, but then also tying in those gutter downspouts that had plagued this customer for some time now. All of which has led us to what you see right now, which is a completely transformed backyard that includes the beautiful Xeon Zoysia sod, multiple different drain boxes, beautiful decorative gravel, gutter downspouts tied in, and then also being able to come back and acquiesce with the beautiful pine straw just to clean this area up. It truly did give the customer an amazing landscape design, but we didn't even stop there. We also used the river rock as a way to deal with the water that was moving around on this landscape. So as you can see right here, it was used just to deal with the water that was coming in on this landscape, the rest of which we're going to be able to allow for it to fall down to the path of least resistance and go into this drain box. But in addition, we also focused on being able to move water off the landscape, guys. So that water that we had moving on this landscape was able to now be reappropriated through the design that we've created. One of which says that the water has to fall into this drain box. As you can see, just based on the grade that we have here, all of that water is going to move down to the path of least resistance, and it's going to find itself being able to fall into this drain box. In addition to that, we've also focused on an even more effective way, such as focusing with the decorative gravel and giving this customer a beautiful river rock design in order to catch all that water that was coming off of the fence line. An exceptional marvel of engineering when it comes to landscape drainage, and it's the reason we've become the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on solving our customers' landscape drainage problems once and for all, the same way we've done for this customer within less than that of just 2 days. That's right, guys, we gave this customer back their landscape in an exceptional fashion, and they're extremely happy about it. And I tell you what, we're going to continue to move in an exceptional fashion as we get ready for next week's job, where we're going to be putting in 10 pallets of beautiful Xeon Zoysia sod. So make sure that you stay tuned to see this amazing landscape transformation continue to unfold right before your very eyes as we go to our next customer, solving their landscape drainage problem, as well as providing them with an amazing landscape design right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.